yesterday about a knife or a utensil that is used for milk. So in the inverse, if a knife is used to cut meat, how long is the koshering process? 24 hours is the same?
Yes, you need to clean it, wait 24 hours, and then stick into the ground 10 times. That's the kashering process. So with it's a knife. Knife is very different. Knife is very different, right? With other things, for example, that we use for a wrong type. For example, spoon, right? You took your daily spoon and you were tasting what is it this chicken soup, right? So in this case you would have to boil boil in a pot and dip this spoon. But in case of the knife, the knife, there is no boiling, basically. That's the thing.
Because I was thinking that meat gets easier inside. I don't know how it's called, these microscopic holes of the metal.
Pores.
So it would require a lot more time to kosher it.
No. It's opposite issue. So these pores, these microscopic holes, right? So it's easier to kosher meat than anything else. So other things we simply cannot kosher. Why? Because it absorbs. It's softer, right? It absorbs the taste, and it's impossible to get the taste out. That's like wood or something.
So milk is harder than meat to get this taste out of it?
Say it again?
Milk is harder than meat to
No. It's irrelevant. We're talking about knives. So you started about knives. So I give you an example about knives. So meat, milk, non-kosher food, that does not make any difference. So it's everywhere it's the same procedure.
So it's not the same as simply a pot where we eat. It's not, because if we eat in a pot a dairy product, we wait, we clean normally, and we wait 24 hours.
Yes.
But it's not the same as a knife. It requires more.
No. Wash 24 hours and then stick it in the ground. So in a pot that you're saying, so if it was used for non-kosher food, for example, by accident, so now what do? You clean it, wait 24 hours, and then you put it in in another pot with hot water. That's how you kosher it. So that's the koshering part. So this cleaning and waiting is a preparatory step to the koshering procedure.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.